कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम।
request Mr. Samir Swarup, Director Human Resources, NLC India Limited, to deliver. We welcome the gathering.
On behalf of NLC India Limited, I wish you all a warm and hearty welcome to the Republic Day celebrations. Today, as we gather in this Bharti Stadium to celebrate the 75th Republic Day of our great nation, this celebration is just not a remembrance. It is a reaffirmation of our commitment to the ideals that define our democracy. Republic Day is not merely a public holiday marked by grand parades and flag unfurling. It is a celebration of a collective journey towards strengthening our sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic that is India.
To address the invitees and the participants who have gathered here for the Republic Day celebrations, we now request Mr. Prasanna Kumar Motupalli, Chairman and Managing Director NLC India, to deliver his Republic Day address.
अनेवरुक्कम वनक्कम, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड सबको नमस्कार. उंगुल अनेवरुक्कम एन इनिया कुडिया अरसु दिन नल्वाल्तुगल 75वां गणतंत्र के शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. It is indeed a great privilege and pleasure for me to extend hearty greetings to all of you on the occasion of 75th Republic Day of our great nation. The Republic Day is a remarkable occasion of our nation. On this day, in the year 1950, draft constitution submitted by Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and a team of experts was adopted as the Constitution of India, and our nation has become a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic which enshrines liberty, equality and fraternity. On this momentous day, let us unfurl our tricolor national flag, which symbolizes sovereignty of our country, and pay rich tributes to father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, all the freedom fighters and martyrs who through their sacrifices made it possible for our country to attain freedom from colonial rule. As all Indians proudly remember, India has been making tremendous strides towards Atmanirbhar through Make in India and Make for World mantra, and to become a developed nation by 2047. NLCL stands with immense pride and satisfaction in contributing to the nation's development through a vital infrastructure, electricity. Especially, we are resolute in our commitment of 6 gigawatt in renewable energy share to become 17 gigawatt plus energy company by 2030 to support the trajectory of progress of our great nation. The year 2023 has been an eventful as well as most successful year in the history of NLCAL with many accomplishments. Long pending land acquisition issues at Neyveli are being solved. More than 550 hectares of land has been taken into physical possession so far, which were acquired since 2000 for mine 2. Now we are augmenting lignite production and power generation to maximum level to catch up the shortfall in target for the current financial year. Our other major achievements for team NLCAL are as follows. The current financial year up to September 2023, our consolidated profit after tax was 1500 crores with a growth of almost 52% compared to previous years. We have achieved highest coal production and sales at Talabira, mine Odisha. We have successfully commissioned 10 megawatt solar power plant in Neyveli. We have won 1410 megawatt solar power plant tender, 810 megawatt from Rajasthan, Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited, 600 megawatt from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. After a gap of about 5 years, we have placed orders for 500 megawatt plant, 300 megawatt at Rajasthan and 200 megawatt at Gujarat for augmenting renewable capacity. First in the history of NLC India, we got coal block allotment of 3 MTPA North Dadu through the commercial coal block e-auction. The focus more on renewable energy capacity addition and the green initiatives. 2 wholly owned subsidiaries have been formed. That is NLC India Renewables Limited to take over existing renewable assets and NIGEL NLC India Green Energy Limited to take up more renewable projects on sustainable basis. We have placed order recently for a mega 3 into 800 megawatt supercritical thermal power project at Odisha with anticipated commissioning by financial year 2028-29. I congratulate the entire team NLCAL for placing the order within 72 hours after the taking the decision. Till December 23, we could achieve 99.60% of the targeted capex of the current financial year, and we got appreciations from the Honorable Minister and Secretary Coal for achieving this capex target. First time in the history of NLCAL, we established continuous interactions with the media, which resulted in enhanced confidence in investors, and thereby the market share price has been constantly improving and reached all-time high. We interacted with both domestic investors and international investors, and everybody was happy with the strategies and the growth progress of NLC India Limited. At the same time, let us reaffirm our commitment in adhering safety first at our workplace, in mines, thermal units, project locations, and all our operational areas, and diligently follow the prescribed safety guidelines to ensure zero harm working environment. I am pleased to convey that we have been actualizing our enriched coal values. NLCAL commits in all our activities in true spirit to translate it to vigilance excellence. I am sure that the saga of success of our company will be continued by reinventing and redirecting ourselves in years ahead. Together with courage and indomitable spirit, we thrive for sustainable excellence and organization's trim. Let us as a team with commitment, dedication, sincerity, transparency, integrity, environmental sustainability, safety and happy mind shall lift the company to new heights of performance and excellence. Thank you. Nandri, Vanakkam, Jai Hind.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे, मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुंह से निकल के खून कहे, लहरा दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम, लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम, लहरा दो।
कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं। ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तो कौम पे लुटाए जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो से वतन बढ़ाए जा। तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तू न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो से वतन बढ़ाए जा। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा। चलो दिली पुकार के हमें निशान संभाल के